Anxiety is an alarm. It's something that says something around you is wrong. Where your environment is probably affecting you. Who you're around is probably affecting you. So your anxiety means there's an issue somewhere. Yeah, there's an issue somewhere. Something needs to be resolved and you just have not done it yet, right? Yeah. There's an issue somewhere and you haven't resolved it yet. And that's all it is. Like, you have to resolve these issues. You have to be the one to take the initiative to fix your own life. And if that means you have to get up and move, if that means that you have to, escape for a while, like literally go somewhere, then that's what you have to do, right? Let's stabilize your life. Let's get in the greatest shape that we can get in. Let's secure work. Let's get after it. Let's stop making excuses for ourselves. Let's stop caring about what other people think. You need work so you can pay your bills. You need work so you can live a life worth living. You need a brotherhood. You got to do that. And you have to build these skills. You have to strengthen your mind. That's step 4, 5, and 6. You have to do those things. Your anxiety is only holding you back as much as you let it. And I understand, like, it's strong. Like, I understand that it makes you feel crippled, but you have to just take the step. A man, let me tell you something. And this is for anybody that's listening to this now or listening to this in the future. The truth be told, the real journey of any man is failure. You have to fail. You have to go into a job interview and let them tell you no. You have to talk to Big Brother, somebody like me, and say, hey, man, you're not doing enough. You're not taking enough action. And that's where you're going to, start seeing things. That's where you're going to start really understanding. That's where you're going to start really seeing growth, because you have to grow from this. Let's get you in BetterHelp. One day I hope to be sponsored by BetterHelp so that I can, give out a link and give you guys some sort of discount on that. I love BetterHelp. So if you want to sponsor me one day, please. But no, seriously, we need to talk to a therapist. We got to figure out and dig deeper and figure out where this stuff is coming from. You definitely have the awareness to know that something's wrong. We just need to identify it and find a way to cope with it. Once you do that, you're going to be good to go.